In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Salesflare. By the end, your emails and calendar events will sync automatically, and you'll be able to work with Salesflare right inside Gmail for a faster, smoother workflow. First, let's connect your Gmail so Salesflare can sync your email and calendar. From your Salesflare dashboard, head to Settings and look for the Email and Calendar section. Choose Gmail or Google Workspace. When prompted, sign in with your Google account and grant the requested permissions. These permissions allow Salesflare to read and log relevant emails and calendar events and link them to the right contacts and opportunities in your CRM. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're selecting the correct one. If you're on Google Workspace and you see access blocked, your administrator may need to allow the integration. Once connected, Salesflare will start syncing in the background. It tracks sends, replies, meetings, and other activity, and adds them to your CRM timelines automatically. The best part is that Salesflare picks up emails you send from anywhere, whether that's Gmail on the web, your mobile app, or a desktop client, so you don't have to send messages from inside Salesflare to keep your activity logged. You can verify the connection by opening a contact or opportunity in Salesflare and watching new emails or events appear after a short delay. If you don't see anything right away, give it a minute and refresh. Next, let's add the Gmail sidebar so you can use Salesflare without switching tabs. Go back to Settings in Salesflare and open Applications and Integrations. Select the Gmail, Chrome sidebar option. Click to install the Salesflare Gmail extension from the Chrome Web Store, then add it to Chrome. Open Gmail, and you'll see a Salesflare panel on the right side. If prompted, sign in to link the sidebar to your Salesflare account. Now, when you open an email, the sidebar shows related contact and company details pulled from your CRM. You can create a new contact or company on the spot, update fields, and track email opens and link clicks. You can also pull in templates you've saved in Salesflare directly into your Gmail Composer, which is great for consistency and speed. If the sidebar doesn't appear, refresh Gmail, make sure you're using Chrome, and temporarily disable any extension that blocks third-party scripts. That's it. With your Gmail connected and the sidebar installed, you'll save time, keep your CRM clean and up to date, and never miss important interactions.